Good morning, students. Today I teach you plant classification. First, characteristic of plants. Plants have well-developed cell wall made up of cellulose. All plants having large central vacuoles. The reserve food materials is starch. Reserve food material is starch. These main characters of plants. Some plants are not having chloroplasts such as fungi, and all plants having the chlorophyll. Autotrophic in nature except fungi. Fungi has saprophytic in nature. These characteristic feature of the plants. Then the classification of plants. Plants are divided into two groups: seedless plant and seed-bearing plants. Seedless plants are Thallophyta, Bryophyta and Pteridophyta. These are phylum of the plants. Thallophyta body is not differentiated into root, stem and leaves. So plant body like a thallus. This is called Thallophyta. Embryo stage absent. So these plants are called Thallophyta plants. Vascular bundles absent. Bryophyta. These plants are amphoteric in nature. These grow in aquatic and terrestrial as well as terrestrial. So these are called amphibians of the plants. Bryophyta having no vascular tissue, but gametophytic stage is dominant. Gametophytic stage is dominant. Which means the dominance of the haploid plant body. Moss, liverworts, these are examples of Bryophyta. Then we come to the Pteridophyta. Pteridophyta is a bridge between the Bryophyta and Gymnosperm. It is linked between the Bryophyta and Gymnosperm. These plants are more and more primitive plants. These plants are first plants in the land which are having vascular tissue. Vascular tissue, it means xylem and phloem. These are called conductive tissue and vascular tissue. Pteridophyta, seed absent, vascular tissue present, and plant body is sporophyte. Its stage is dominant. It means plant body is diploid. Diploid plant body. Form the example of the Pteridophyta. Next we come into the seed-bearing plants. These are two types, Gymnospermy and Angiospermy. Gymnospermy, gymnos means naked, sperma means seed. These plants having naked seed. This means seed is not covered within the fruit. Angios means hidden sperma seed. It means hidden seed. So angiospermy plants, the seed having within the fruit. These are gymnospermy plants. These are called non-flowering plants. Angiospermy plants are called flowering plants. Flowering plants. So gymnospermy plants, they have vascular bundles. So vascular bundles, well-developed vascular bundles. The male reproductive are called antheridia and female reproductive organ called archegonium. This is Cycas and Pinus. Angiospermy plants are two types, monocotyledons and dicotyledons. Monocotyledons, it means the seed having one cotyledon, and dicotyledons having the seed having two cotyledons. Monocotyledons, the leaves are venescence are parallel, such as banana and maize and wheat and rice. The parallel venation. Fibrous root also presents. They are not woody plants. Monocotyledons plant. And dicotyledons plants, they have reticular venation in leaf and taproot. Taproot. These are mango, pumpkins, watermelons. These are dicotyledons plant. That's all. Okay.